Greetings, dear friends. I am Andrei Harato, and today I'm here with Dmitry Voronov, CEO of Innovation Basalt Technology in Poland. We have a 50% share in this project. Dmitry, please explain what Innovation Basalt Technology is. In a nutshell, it's products we get from stone. The stone is called basalt. It's the raw material prepared for us by nature itself. It's magma that once erupted from volcanoes, and now we crush it into the form of rubble in the exact same way nature did in the past. And from that, we obtain a thread. And from that thread, we make composite materials. These materials can be used in practically any area of human life. From construction materials, furniture, ski poles, skateboards, etc., anything at all, to the space industry, automotive industry, shipbuilding, and aircraft engineering. The range of application is huge and covers practically any area we can think of. In terms of market development prospects, what is your preliminary assessment of the development prospects for the next 5 to 10 years? The prospects are huge. Currently, as suggested by the trend persisting across the world, it is the environment and the protection of nature. And Basalt Technology, a monoproduct, a natural product, a product from stone and stone only with no chemicals involved, can be used anywhere. Consequently, the market size here is enormous. Trillions, hundreds of trillions of dollars. I think in the near future, down the road, this material will render absolutely useless any other technology. Products from fiberglass, metal, natural materials with limited supply like timber, i.e. anywhere basalt can be used, it will be used, because it is not only environmentally friendly product, it is 100% recyclable product. Our company became an investor to have a small, let's say, production shop or plant, which will have to produce something. Could you tell us in short about the purpose of that plant? For now, it is a small facility, a so-called demonstration plant. A showroom of sorts. A showroom to show our capabilities, because when we tell our prospective partners what we can do, they ask us to show them. Basically, the main task is to create a showroom to show our capabilities. But not only to show. This process will be self-sufficient too, and will even generate a profit. The final product at this facility is basalt composite reinforced structures and some derivative products for house building. The production capacity is around 400 tons per year. In other words, we're setting up a showroom which will make us some money too. Exactly. So far, with the funding that needs to be provided, the production equipment has been ordered. When can we expect this plant and this production facility to be launched? The launch is planned for April-May this year. You are welcome to attend. You mean the opening ceremony with the ribbon cutting by representatives from our fund? Sure. And during that time, we are going to invite a big number of our prospective partners, investors, all those people who are interested in building such facilities across the world. Our company will be in the middle of creating this industry in the entire world. I know that in January several business trips were made. Could you please tell us which countries those trips were made and with what purpose? We were in the United Arab Emirates at several interesting events. Those events were related to the promotion of our projects, environmentally significant to our Earth. Such as wind energy, solar energy, the use of hydrogen as a source of energy in the world. And everywhere our claims that basalt would become the most powerful sources of structural elements for those projects were met with great enthusiasm. We made quite a statement. Let's take wind energy for example. How can basalt be used there? Currently, windmills producing basically clean energy are made from metal, or for instance, their blades are made from fiberglass, which means clean energy is produced using unclean products. Exactly. And since there is such a current trend, most notably in Europe, as the life cycle of a product, when the cost of the product is affected not only by its production, but also the cost of operation, and most importantly, disposal, then most composite synthetic products pose problems. With basalt, there shouldn't and won't be such problems altogether. I repeat, it is just stone. We can easily recycle it back into a new product from basalt. So, if we were to make a 100% clean windmill, then the tower and the blades could be made from basalt using basalt composite materials. It'll be better, stronger, and more durable. What about solar energy? Similarly, in solar energy, the entire support structure that bears the solar panels can also be made from basalt. It is constantly exposed to different elements and it is buried into the ground. Currently, it is all made from aluminium. It is okay, good, reliable, it doesn't rust. But aluminium is not a clean product. It pollutes our planets quite a lot, whereas basalt does not. So you made presentations there and established business contacts. With whom could you promote the product in the future? Correct. We found support, and now there are a lot of key players in this business ready to support us, promote, and help us develop the technology. That was the first trip. The next trip was to the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland. The global business leaders convened there. They say there were 100 billionaires there. Yes, correct. Lots of presidents. Trump too. It was very interesting. We made a similar presentation there too. We made a statement and found immediate support, even from small Switzerland. It turns out they have a serious problem with their hoisting machines, which could be made from basalt. They won't rot, won't corrode, etc. They will be very reliable, lightweight and resilient if produced from basalt. We held negotiations with the Prime Minister of Poland and found support there too. We are located and deployed in Poland. That's why it was very important for us. The Polish government are already aware that such an interesting project is being implemented in their territory and are ready to support it in any way. We held negotiations with a number of governments, with India, Germany, France, Italy, Spain.
с Италией, Испанией.
So today, we have very good support.
На сегодняшний день
We are working further on publicity and making ourselves visible.
работаем над вопросом вот такого пиара, да, то есть заявления о себе. Я думаю,
I think as soon as we launch our production, this showroom here, further development will be set in stone.
производство, вот этот шоурум, то дальнейшее развитие уже предопределено.
Dmitry, here's a question. In environmental terms, clean production is important, but you still need furnaces to melt basalt. The furnace itself is harmful. How is it different, say, from open half furnaces used in the metal industry? The current technology is a combination of gas and electricity, and the only emissions produced by this furnace are natural gas combustion products.
Эта печь — это продукты сгорания природного газа.
But in the near future, I think by the end of this year, we are going to shift to electrical furnaces.
Текущего года мы уже будем переводить эти печи на электрические.
So by using, for example, green electricity, we are going to have absolutely green production.
Полностью зеленое производство, да? То есть у нас
We will have electric furnaces consuming green electric power, and that's it.
электроэнергию и все.
So in essence, it is environmentally friendly production. Exactly. What would be your wishes for our people who actually become co-owners of this project?
Стали фактически совладельцами, да, этого направления, ну, от вас, допустим, да,
Do you have anything to say to those people?
передать таким
Ну,
I want to tell our co-investors who invested in this project that they made the right choice.
которые вложили в этот проект, что они сделали правильный выбор, что надо
We need to further support this project and develop it.
он это не
It is not just a business project which we will make big money.
большие деньги. И это тоже важно.
Although that is important too, it will also contribute significantly to preserving the earth as it is today.
Сохранение нашей земли в том виде, в котором она есть, то есть
To improving the environment, nature, at least as we have it today.
вообще природы в том виде, в котором хотя бы она есть на сегодня.
Thank you, Dmitry. We will be sure to be at the opening and the cutting of the ribbon together. I look forward to it. Take care. Thank you.